Hey everyone, Rogue here, and today I have an unboxing from the cubicle, and this is going to contain my 6x6 and a couple other items, so let's open it up here, if I can. I need to make sure I don't show the address, so I put it upside down. I should have planned this. I'll bring it back. Right. Oh, come on. Okay. Get the receipt out of there. So, let's see what we got. Got a couple of QiYi Labs business cards here. It's pretty nice. So first, this is actually, my mom wanted me to order this for her. It is a mini keychain 3x3, 2 centimeters, which is cool. And I'll put that out to the side. And I also ordered this cube box here for when I travel my cube and stuff, so it doesn't break. Nice. And also, put that up a little bit. And I also got the I got the square one, which is the QiYi, I think. What it is, this square one was like $4 on sale at the cubicle. And the reason why I got it is because my current X-Man Volt right here is broken. So I got this as a temporary solution. Put that there. And also, what I'm most excited about is the WuHua V2 6x6. And I've never owned a 6x6 other than the V-Cube. So this is going to be awesome. And I also got, that's it, I also got the, what is this, QiYi Dino Cube. So this is cool. So first let's start with the Dino Cube. That's the one I might be least excited about. Now, wow, very nice shades. I have solved a Dino Cube before at SkillCon 2018, cubing competition in Las Vegas. And first impressions, it turns really well. This is actually the first time I've ever done an unboxing on my channel, which is pretty cool. I've never done an unboxing. I did own a 6x6, I don't know if I told you, but it was a V-Cube 6, but that broke and I lost it, so, yeah. So, let's see if I can solve it real quick. I haven't solved a Dino Cube in a while, so, orange should go there. I'm just going to use, like, classic solving methods. Got the first side. And I believe, I'm pretty sure you solve the top layer. Okay, I'll do this later, but yeah. Okay, now the square one, the QiYi square one. This is a really budget square one, and I hope it's decent because, let's see, I think it's like $9 normal price, and here's the shades. It's a good looking cube. I like it. Ooh. Wow, it's really good. It's really dry. It needs some lube. And corner cuts, wow, the corner cut's great actually. Look at that. Corner reverse. Yep, it has reverse. A little bit of reverse. And this is actually great square one. I actually really like it. I'll probably do a review on each of these cubes when I get a chance. This is actually really good. I love it. And it's only $9. And now, what I'm really excited for is the WuHua 6x6. Just down a little bit so you can see. It's like the pamphlet. Oh, here you go. 6x6/7x7 cubes manual. The illustrations below are notations of the 6x6x6 and 7x7x7 cube, and the rotations are the same as the blah blah blah. Who cares? But let's open the 6x6. Nicely wrapped. It's really good. I don't usually get from the cubicle, but here you go. Wow, these are really beautiful shades. Oh wow. I've never solved a 6x6 in a really long time. Like, I've solved a shank shell before. And first impressions, it is very good. The middle layers are a little stiff, but they'll probably be fixed with some lube. Outside layers and the middle layers are really good. And overall, this is a really good 6x6. Oh, shoot. Now let's do a checkerboard pattern. Here's the checkerboard pattern. You can see I do love the orange because it's really, it's a little hard to tell the part on the camera, but in real life it's actually, you can actually tell the difference really well. They have good contrast. The blue and the green are good. The white and yellow are perfect. It doesn't have the, I like how this doesn't have that pinkish orange like on my Dino Cube here. And overall, this is a really nice puzzle. I love it. Let's see if I can fix my pattern here. I always can never solve the pattern here, but yeah, this is a really good 6x6. Outer layers are good. Middle layers are a little stiff. Let's check out corner cutting. Oh, corner cutting isn't very good. I think these. Oh yeah, man, this is pretty tight actually. Yeah, this is actually fairly tight. It'll probably breaking in. Because I recently got the 7x7. It was the budget QiYi one. It was, I forgot the name of it, but I got a 7x7, but that broke, so I have to order a new one, or I have to send it back or something. So yeah, this is a really good 6x6. Let's try inner corner cutting. Good. I mean, not bad, but I mean, I'm not really gonna be solving 6x6 like too much, so this is a good start for 6x6. Now I'll unbox the keychain cube here. This is my mom, she's gonna keep it. There we go. And it's cool, it's really small. Turns okay, it's not bad. It's really tight, but she's not really gonna be playing with this that much, but it's really tiny. It's like, look, it's like not much bigger than my thumb. And yeah, I really like my puzzles. Let's see if my square one fits inside it here. Fits. Oh, is it already cracked? Okay. Now the square one fits inside pretty well. Let's try my 3x3. Good. And now my broken X-Men Volt fits. Okay. And yeah, this is my Volt. It still kind of works. You can still kind of play with it, but because the mechanism piece is actually stuck inside. And I think that's all I have to say. I think so here's a quick recap. We got the what was it called? The QiYi WuHua. That's right. Got the WuHua 6x6, the keychain 3x3, which is my mom's. My QiYi square one. It's really good. I really like the square one. The Dino Cube. I've never owned a Dino Cube. I wanted to get it for many years, but I've never gotten around to getting one. So I'll put some lubricant in these and I'll come back. Hey everyone, it's been a couple minutes, not a couple days like most YouTubers say. And I have solved the Dino Cube and the square one, and I have to say, the square one and the Dino Cube are really good. I really love the square one. It has a great feel. It's really fast, and it doesn't even feel that cheap either. It feels pretty decent. I still have to put some more lube in it. I didn't put too much. I just put a little bit of Speed Cube Shop's Candy Cane lube. And I also got the 6x6 is great. It's a great starter 6x6, and it turns great. I actually love. The size is great. It's just a really great 6x6. Sorry, off camera. And the Dino Cube. The Dino Cube took me like a minute to solve. It was a little bit confusing, but the Dino Cube turns great. It has corner cutting too. It's a little bit hard to align. Oh wait, maybe it doesn't have corner cutting. No, it has corner cutting. And I guess that's all I have to say for this unboxing. So the 6x6. The QiYi square one, I'll put a white side. I don't know what QiYi Dino Cube. I'll say it's free. Please comment, rate, subscribe.